Hi, this is Ismail from Click Mintaka YouTube channel. Today the topic is how to decompose or jam signal jammers or explosive jammers by using latest technology. It actually this is an innovative type of technologies today what I am going to introduce you. So I wrote a paper, research paper last 10 years before about this sensor technology and explosive jamming technologies. This was that at that time when I was in working in security forces against some security issues. I have developed a system. This system was that when I have decided to develop a system that will improve the security system of both the public and the private sector from the explosive devices. The system will more likely work to detect explosive devices so that timely action could be taken. This system is based on the model developed and designed by me at that time in 2009. Because the new polymer undergoes stimulated emission at lower thresholds than early SOP materials at that time. As you know, in daily news, the suicide bombing increasing in our country, Pakistan, leading to the death of thousands of innocent people. The government, along with security forces, is striving too hard to mitigate these issues. But the available technology and resources are not enough to address these issues. So, keeping these day-to-day problems in view, I had decided to develop a system that will improve the security system of both public and private sectors. The system will more likely to work with jam explosive devices so that timely action could be taken. There are many possibilities to jam or to decompose or to detect the explosive molecules or explosive devices signals and explosive devices by using modern technologies, which are as follows. I decided that at that time I have three techniques to decompose these explosive signals. The first is a signal jammer, and the second is vapor detectors, and the third is vapor clouds. In signal jammers, we can use signal jammer techniques for those explosive devices which has a remote control system and a signal generator. If some devices have a signal generator, we can use signal jammers to decompose these signals from initial point to the reaching points. This was my first idea at that time, to decompose or to detect or to you can say to detect or to highlight any signals from initial point to from explosive devices to the its generator. The second idea is vapor detectors. The vapor detector, we can use vapor detector techniques by using different sensors like smell sensors, gas sensors, temperature sensors, and infrared sensors. Infrared sensor is very popular and very needy sensor in this case. So we can detect vapors by using infrared sensors and also some above these other sensors. The third is vapor clouds. In vapor clouds, we can use vapor by saturated vapor concentration of different explosive in the air. The intensity of evaporation of plastic explosive is approximately 100 times lower as compared with hexogen. In reality, it is difficult to get rid of the explosive traces and vapors, cloud of vapor surrounding a person under normal conditions. The cloud rises with a speed of 0 to 0.5 meter per second. Sampling of explosive traces from the object surface with a napkin followed by a sample analysis in a gas analyzer performs well. So the range of these using signals jammer will be minimum of 100 feet from the fixed devices. This range can be increased up to the 1 kilometer with the passage of time when technology will be going to advance. The device will be fully programmable and their function is to perform faster. Their signal is very fast and work in micro nanoseconds. When explosive is exposed in 1-2 seconds in the air in the form of vapor or signal, before burning process we can use very fast signal generator which will jam and explode at the moment against it. So furthermore, building on this theory, I will work with you according to the structure of your explosive device. It will configure a new electronic device which will jam at the spot and assuredly will decompose all explosive molecules in the air by this technology. First step will be the start from the identification of explosive signal and jamming and the decomposition methodology. This will be followed by the vapor detection and decomposition of explosive molecules in the air successfully. Indeed, these initiatives will help to improve security system and prevent fatal death of innocent people in our daily life, in all around the world. After the establishment of this setup, security forces will create trust and confidence among its people and special guests as well. And this will going to take responsibility of the security systems and security forces throughout their life to maintain and update it regular in a better condition, and will be available for troubleshooting and also improve its updates and generate and more using latest technologies it regularly. So this was the theory of that time when I was working some devices and jamming technologies. So maybe I think you understand my points and you learn some basics about signal jammers and explosive molecules by using these technologies. So thank you for my listening, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like this theory, you just click on the like button and also click on the bell button. And don't forget to subscribe my Click Minteka channel. Thank you, and see you the next topic.